Okay, let's shoot a few materials just to give you people an idea how this thing works. So again, starting from the home screen, all right, turn it on, we hit analyze. Let's choose alloy first. Most of our users use alloy all the time. It sorts any kind of metal, and you'll see how fast it is on aluminum shortly. So it's set up for a couple of seconds. So let's start with this. This is a titanium alloy. You'll see 1 or 2 seconds, 6.4, you're done. All right. You can go to a super alloy. Again, a couple of seconds. There's your MARM 247. And then go to your copper alloy. And this is a nice one. This one is actually a silicon bronze. You'll see after a few seconds, you'll be reading your about 0.5% silicon in your silicon bronze. And that's how fast it is. Now, traditionally, a weakness of these other X-ray guns is on aluminum alloys. So let's do that. Let's shoot some aluminum alloys. Let me just pick a nice order. So this is one we see mixed up all the time, a 6063 and an 1100. So the way this is configured is when it sees aluminum, it uses the 2-beam, high energy beam, high voltage beam, low voltage beam, which if you have an X-ray gun, you know all about. But it does it automatically, and the key is how fast that magnesium comes up in sorting these. So it's switched over to the second beam, and there's no mag in 1100, I call it 1100. But let's now go to 6063, and other X-ray guns might take a minute to do this. This is just a few seconds. So after 4 seconds, we get our 0.5% or so mag, and we get our 6063. So this will very quickly sort 1163, about 4 seconds. Let's look at an even harder one. This is about 0.3 mag in this 356. So again, after about 3 or 4 seconds, you get your mag there. This would take a lot longer with any other X-ray gun, right? So, and then, as you get progressively higher magnesium samples, here's a 6061, again, a couple of seconds. It says it's 61. It's about 3 or 4 seconds. What's this one, 52? 5052, again. So now you're doing all your non-ferrous and ferrous in a couple seconds. You're doing all your aluminums in the alloy mode in about 3 to 4 seconds. And you see you can just bang out all these aluminums with increasingly high magnesium accurately and quickly. This is a 5083, about almost 5% aluminum. So you see you could go from 5% aluminum, where's my favorite, to 0.3% aluminum, all in about 3 seconds. There's your magnesium. So that's the story on aluminum, on general alloy sorting with this new analyzer. Really lightweight, 2.75 pounds, really fast on everything, but really fast on aluminum. So we were shooting all these alloys earlier, and with the alloy app, and we were measuring all of our non-ferrous and our ferrous in about 1 or 2 seconds. And we were measuring all these aluminum alloys, including a 356 with 0.35 or so magnesium. We were measuring that in about 3 to 4 seconds, which is, again, really fast for an X-ray gun on aluminum. So you get all the benefits of X-ray on high temps and turnings, but now you've got fast aluminum with this device. If 3 to 4 seconds on aluminum still isn't fast enough for you, we've created a specialty patented aluminum app. So you tap the aluminum app, and now the device is put into an optimal set of settings to measure aluminum. So remember that 6063 that was, find it here a minute. Remember that 6063 we shot as an alloy in the alloy app was taking 3 to 4 seconds to see that 0.5% magnesium. Now we shoot it with this, 1001, 1002, but there you go. So now we've cut that testing time by about a factor of 2. All right, do it again, 1001, 1002. So if you need even more speed on aluminum, get down around 2 seconds for these alloys. Then you got the aluminum app. Again, it's part of the device. It comes with the analyzer. It's purpose-built for that kind of a thing. So in these higher mags are even easier, the 5052 in a second. This guy, 5083 in a second. So really lightning fast.